Alright, I'm doing a bike check. Starting with the frame. It's an Eastern Cobra. Forks, Reverde. Stolen revolver, front rim. 2.35, Aaron Ross tire. I got red D-cup headset. A white Stolen Convict top weight stem. Stolen cell bars, they're 8-inch rise, 28 wide. Stolen money grips, Odyssey par ends. I got red line cranks, chrome. Eastern Medusa sprocket, it's 25. Mechanic half link, Odyssey twisted pedals. I got a Harley hub waist too, a Stolen revolver back rim, and Miraco seat, and Aaron Ross 2.35 in the back. That's my bike check. I think that's it.